Hey guys, welcome back to the another YouTube video. In last video we have seen about these scatter plots. In this video we will learn about the stack plots. Okay, so stack plots are also known as the area plots. Stack plots are good option when you want to plot some data in that you want to track the changes over the time. So in stack plots, the plots are stacked on top of each other. So that's why it is known as stack plots. For create our first stack plots, we have to import our library. So I am here importing from Matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Now we need some data. So guys, you can get this data from our description box. So this data basically wants to tell us the workflow of a student during the 5 days. Okay. So in first day we can see that student did 3 hours of coding, 1 hour of playing and 7 hours of sleeping. Okay. So now we want to plot some stack plot of this data. So I am calling here plt.stackplot method. Okay, in that I am going to pass days and code, playing and sleep. Now I am going to run this code, but before run this code I am going to call plt.show method. So guys, you can see this is our stack plot. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, but we don't know what is the blue value, what is the green and what is the orange. For that we have to pass labels. Okay, so I am here creating labels. Labels is equal to, I am passing labels as a list. Okay, so code, play and sleep. So now I am passing labels in label argument. And now we have to call our method plt.legend method. So if you don't know about the plt.legend method, you can check our previous videos. So this is our stack plot. You can also change the location of our labels, okay, by passing location is equal to upper left. So this is our stack plot. Now we can see that the green area is for sleep, the orange area for play and blue area for code. In this stack plot we can see that in the third day the coding hours are decreases, okay, and after third day coding hours are increases. In sleep we can see that in third day sleep hours are decreases, but after that sleep hours are constantly increases, I mean exponentially. Okay, so this is our stack plot. The one thing is that you can also change the style of our plot. For that you can use plt.style.available. You have to print this for seeing our all styles. So guys, now you can see this. These all are our styles. You can use any style as you want. So I am here using plt.style.use. In that I am going to pass 538. Okay, now I am going to run this code. So guys, you can see this is our stack plot and we change the style of our stack plot. You can use any style you want from all these styles. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in comment section.